everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Vaishnavi Life Phase 4 which is located off Chaparkallu Main Road, North Bangalore by Vaishnavi. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before moving further, let us discuss that exactly what Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. But before starting the video, let us check the surrounding of the project. So this is the main entrance of this project. And now, you can see this is the neighborhood of the project and this road connects you to the international airport and this road is the main Chaparkallu road. Now starting with the project overview, Vaishnavi Life Phase 4 is coming up in 70 acres of land parcel with 904 plots. Now coming towards the location part, this project is located off Chaparkallu Main Road of IVC Road in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. So this road is the Chaparkallu Road. And now let me tell you about the connectivity. So the Padukone Sports Academy is located just beside the project. Forum Mall is 5 kilometers away from the project, with STRR is 6 kilometers away from the project, and this road just behind me connects you to the International Airport of Bangalore. Now coming to the amenities part, this project is coming up with 50 plus luxurious amenities like of clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area and many more. Now coming to the super built up area, that is the plot sizes. So plot sizes are starting from 1200 square feet to 2400 square feet super built up area. Let us discuss about the booking process. So project token window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel with the actual location of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token. So everyone, this was the project teaser of the residential project that is Vaishnavi Life Phase 4 located off Chaparkallu Main Road, North Bangalore, a project by Vaishnavi.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.